Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this winter porch easel card. So this is the die set, and I have die cut these pieces out. So you need to cut this 2 times. So this one you need to cut 2 times, and then you can have this layering piece. So like this, and then this piece with the bricks, so they are embossed on the card. You will get this one to make this the door, and the garland and the wreath for the Christmas decoration, and also the bows. So these are what you need to cut. And to make the easel, you need to so this is the bottom piece, and this is the front piece, and you need to cut this out. And there, this piece. And then lay this piece here. You don't need to put glue in this area because you can make it, you can fold the door to make it open and close. And now add these garlands and the wreath on the card. And I add some planes on the bowl. So I'm now finishing the front side of the card. And here is the folding line, so you can fold it, and you can place maybe a Christmas tree here, so you can see see through the card and see a Christmas tree inside the house. So I think this is a cute idea, and you can put something others. So this is the front of the card, and then just stick this part to this card. So fold this line here. And now I want to stamp a sentiment on the inside of the card. And I also have this die cut, so I have cut it out. It says Xmas greetings, and I want to add it here. And it's better if you cut foams and then add it here, but I want to save a little time, so I just use dots here, glue dots here. Now it's finished, so it's like this. So it will stay like this. So hope you like the tutorial I made. If you have any questions, please leave me comment below. I'll answer you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.